some line eggs, potatoes, and pork chops.
And don't forget the cornbread, too.
Home cooking mama with the frying pan, lives in the kitchen and holds a man, cooks and bakes like nobody can. Home cooking mama with the frying pan, they say her chicken and her steaks are tops, and if you taste them you'd lick your chops. Then you say that there's only one home cooking mama with the frying pan, not at all bad looking, and she's awful smart. Her delicious cooking will take the easiest way to your heart. If she invites you for a little bite, just watch your heart and your appetite. She could satisfy any man, home cooking mama with the frying pan.